Have you ever noticed how sometimes, when you start talking, people just tune out? Their eyes glaze over. They nod politely, but they're not really listening. It's not that your words are boring. It's something deeper, because the truth is, people don't stop listening because you talk too much. They stop listening because of how you make them feel when you talk, and most people don't even realize they're doing it. Let's break this down, because if you can fix this, you instantly change the way people see you, respect you, and respond to you. You see, communication isn't really about words. It's about energy. When you speak, people are subconsciously asking one thing: do I feel something when this person talks? If the answer is no, they stop listening. So let's talk about the biggest reasons that happens and how to make people actually care when you speak. People can feel when you're trying to prove something. They might smile. They might even laugh. But deep down, they're waiting for you to finish. Why? Because the energy is self-centered. It's not about them. It's about you. The fix? Stop performing. Start connecting. Ask questions. React. Listen first. When you speak from curiosity instead of ego, people lean in because you make them feel seen. Ever been around someone who never pauses? They keep going, filling every silence, explaining every detail. You can't even breathe between their sentences. What they don't realize is, silence is powerful. When you never pause, you don't give people space to think, to respond, to feel. It turns your words into noise. Here's the truth. Confident people don't rush to fill silence. They trust that what they said was enough. Try this. Next time you speak, slow down. Make your point, then stop. Let silence do the rest. You'll be shocked how much more people listen when you speak less but mean more. You could be saying the smartest thing in the world, but if your tone sounds uncertain, apologetic, or nervous, people subconsciously tune out because they don't just hear your words, they feel your confidence. If your tone says, "I'm not sure if this matters," people believe you. Here's the fix. Own your words. Even if you're not 100% sure, speak with calm conviction. Drop the filler words, end your sentences with strength, not hesitation. People follow voices that sound like they know where they're going. Be that voice. Sometimes people stop listening, not because you're wrong, but because your timing is off. Imagine cracking a joke when someone's venting about their bad day, or going deep about your dreams when everyone's just chilling casually. It's not what you said, it's when you said it. In social awareness is everything. If you want to be heard, you have to understand where people are emotionally before you speak. Take a second to observe. What's the vibe? What's the energy? When you match it or shift it intentionally, you earn attention because people listen to those who make them feel understood. Let's be real. Most of us were never taught how to communicate powerfully. We were told to speak up, to share our thoughts, but no one told us how to do it in a way that earns respect. So we talk, but we don't connect. We speak, but we don't resonate. The result? People stop listening and we start thinking something's wrong with us. But it's not about being boring. It's about learning to speak with presence, awareness, and emotion. Here's the takeaway. When you speak, slow down. Listen before you talk. Drop the need to impress. Match your tone to your message. And pay attention to the energy in the room. Because when your words come from awareness instead of insecurity, people feel it, they remember you, they respect you, and they actually listen. So here's my challenge to you. Next time you're in a conversation, don't focus on what you'll say next. Focus on how you make others feel while you speak, because real influence isn't about having the loudest voice. It's about having the most grounded one. If this hit you, if it made you rethink the way you speak, drop a comment below and tell me one social habit you're going to change starting today. And hey, if you want more videos like this, hit that like button, subscribe, and keep growing into the person who doesn't just talk, but gets truly heard.